Daily VoiceUp English. The world speaks here.
Hey everyone. Welcome to Daily VoiceUp English. I'm Knox. And today, I want to talk about something. Something that, nobody really talks about. Why do most people never learn English? Not 1 year, not 5 years, not even 10 years. They study, but they still cannot speak. Why? I asked this question to hundreds of people, and I found 3 real reasons. Are you ready? Let's go. Reason 1. Fear. Most people are afraid. Afraid to speak, afraid to make mistakes, afraid to sound, stupid. I understand this feeling. I really do. When I was young, I was afraid too. I would open my mouth and nothing would come out. My heart would beat fast, my hands would shake, my mind would go blank. Does this sound familiar? I think it does. Because this is the number 1 reason why people never learn English. They are waiting to be perfect. But here's the truth. Nobody starts perfect. Nobody. Think about babies. When a baby learns to walk, does the baby walk perfectly on the first day? No. The baby falls again and again and again. But the baby gets up every single time. That is how language works. You fall, you make mistakes, you get up, and you try again. The people who speak English today were once afraid too. Every single one of them. The difference? They spoke anyway. So the next time you are afraid, remember this. Fear is not your enemy. Silence is your enemy. Open your mouth. Say something, anything, even if it is wrong, even if people look at you, even if your heart beats fast. Speak. Because every word you say makes you stronger. Reason 2. Waiting. I hear this every single day. People say, I will learn English when I have more time. I will learn English when I find a good teacher. I will learn English when I am ready. But here's the problem. That day never comes. Time does not wait for you. Teachers cannot do it for you. And ready? You will never feel ready. Nobody does. Let me tell you a story. There was a man named Marcus. Marcus lived in a small town. He wanted to learn English his whole life. Every year he said, next year, next year, next year. 20 years passed. Marcus was now 40 years old. He still could not speak English. One day, his daughter came home from school. She was speaking English with her friends. Marcus listened, and something broke inside him. He thought, my daughter learned English in 2 years. I waited 20 years and learned nothing. That night, Marcus made a decision. He turned off his television. He picked up his phone. He found a podcast. He listened for 1 hour. The next day, he listened again, and again, and again. 6 months later, Marcus could have a simple conversation in English. 1 year later, Marcus got a new job, a better job, because he could speak English. What changed? He stopped waiting. He started doing. The best time to start was 20 years ago. The second best time is right now. You're listening to this podcast right now. That means you already started. Don't stop. Reason 3. Studying without listening. Most people learn English from books, grammar books, vocabulary books, exercise books. And books are good. Books are important. But books alone will never make you speak. Think about music. If you want to play guitar, you can't just read about guitar. You have to pick up the guitar. You have to play it every day. English is the same. You have to listen to real English every day. Not classroom English, not textbook English, real English. The English that native speakers use when they talk to their friends, when they order coffee, when they call their mother. That is the English you need to hear. And that is exactly why I created Daily VoiceUp English. Every day, I bring you real English, slow English, clear English, English you can understand and use in your real life. So let me ask you something. How long have you been studying English? 1 year? 5 years? 10 years? And how much can you speak today? If your answer makes you sad, don't worry. Today is a new day. Starting right now, I want you to do 3 things. Number 1, listen to English every day. Even 10 minutes is enough. 10 minutes every day is better than 2 hours once a week. Number 2, speak out loud. Talk to yourself. Talk to your phone. Talk to anyone who will listen. Just speak. Number 3, come back tomorrow, and the day after that, and the day after that. Every episode of Daily VoiceUp English is made for you, for your journey, for your growth. You are not alone. I am here with you every single day. Remember, the people who learn English are not smarter than you. They are not luckier than you. They just never stopped. So don't stop. Keep listening. Keep speaking. Keep going. I'm Knox. This is Daily VoiceUp English. New episodes every single day. Subscribe now, and I will see you tomorrow. Keep voicing up.